Hello my friends, welcome to another video where we will be using this TFT display. So my friends, when I started using this display, I couldn't find any tech channel that can show me how to use it. They all just copy code and tell you some useless information and use example sketches. That's very weak. I'm going to show you how to use this properly, my friends. Okay, so my friends, if this is the board, okay, so this value over here, this will be our x value, our maximum x value. It will be equal to 310 if it is in this mode. Then our y value will be a maximum of 230. And so you have your x and your y. So that is 0.0, and then if it is in normal mode, you will see it is 230 from there to there, and then it will be 0 to 310 in the y value. So its maximum is 310 for y and 230 for x, or vice versa. So let's get our library first up, my friends. So type in TFT. We're going to be using the MCU friend slash or underscore KBV, so search for that. I will explain to you in a few minutes why we use it like we use it on the x and the y values, because it's all about the rotation mode that we set up. So my friends, now what we're going to do is we're going to say MCU friend underscore KBV, then we're going to say TFT. So we just declare that that is TFT. So now we're going to say uint16 underscore t, and then we are going to say id equals to then tft.readId. Please, my friend, lowercase. Okay, then we put the brackets in. Then what we're going to do is we are going to say tft.begin, and then inside of the brackets we are going to say id. Remember, this is very case sensitive. Make sure you nail this one and everything will work very smooth. So my friends, in our void loop, let's start up. Let's say tft.fill screen. This will just give the screen a color, the whole screen. So let's make it black. But here's the problem: we do not have a definition for black. So on the internet I got all of this stuff over here. You can see there is its code and there is the definition and everything, and it even gives you over here the RGB values. So let's select one of these, and yeah, maybe we should go with purple. I do not know, maybe yellow. Let's just choose some random color. Okay, go down here, my friends. Then we're going to say tft.set rotation. Yes, let's set the rotation first. Okay, so if we put the rotation to 0, it will be like on your phone, normal mode. If we set it to 1, it is like when you rotate your screen. So then we say tft.set text size. Let's set the text size to 2. That way we can actually see. If it's on 1, you need glasses and it's not good. Let's just set it to 2. Okay, tft.set cursor. Okay, my friends, this will be our x and our y values to which we want to print over here. So let's say 2, x first, then y. Okay, my friends, but remember, because we are rotating our screen, our max x value will be 310 and our y value will be 230. That will be opposite if you're using normal mode. But let's change all that values to 20, and then let's say tft dot, let's think of a code we can put in. Let's say set text color. So now you can select any text color. I'm going to go with yellow over here. Okay, my friends, now what we are going to do is we are going to say tft.print. Okay, now let's print we don't copy code, because in this channel we do not copy code, my friends. We learn how to code. We do not use random examples and stuff. We are hardcore coders. Let's say over here delay 500 milliseconds. Okay, my friends, I think we should make this a bit more interesting. Let's say tft.drawRect. So this will draw a rectangle. So you first put in where you want it, so x2, y2. Okay, then we print the width and then we print the height. So this is the starting position, and then from the starting position you can select how wide you want it and how high you want it. So let's put in 310, so it will stretch from 2 to 310 on our x values. We'll make that 308, no, maybe 310, okay. Then my friends, 230, this is our height, so it's going down 230 units. Okay my friends, I think I am missing something. I am missing the color, I think, I'm not sure. Let's say tft.draw. Let me just think over here. There is a way to put it. Oh, okay, let's draw a circle. Okay, so tft.draw circle. Let's put in the yes, the color should be over there. Let's choose something. Let's see. Maybe we should go with cayenne, or maybe green. Okay, let's choose a color. Let's put in cayenne. Okay, so the rectangle will be cayenne. So x value, y value, width, height, and then our color. Okay, tft.draw circle is up next. This will draw a circle. So we put in our x value, our y value, then the radius we want it, and then we put in the color. So let's put it in as magenta. Okay my friends, the next one is going to be very cool. Let me show you. This one we're going to say TFT, but we are not going to draw a circle. We're going to say fill circle. So this, the whole circle will be that color. It won't just have an outlining of color. The whole circle will be filled. So my friends, let's figure out how far we want to space it. So let's say about 80 and then 50, because we want it to be in the same line. Or no, maybe I think I should turn these two around. I'm not sure. Okay, no, wait, I had it right the first time. It will be 80, because our y value should be the same if you want it to be in the same line. Okay, my friends, let's give it the radius, and then let's make it cayenne. So we will have a cayenne filled circle, and then we have a magenta circle, but it won't be filled inside. We will just have an outer course that is magenta. So let's say tft.draw line. So we're going to draw a line through the whole screen. So what I like to do, okay, something happened again. This is why I should not edit. Okay, let's put in delay. I hate editing. Okay, tft.draw line 2 then to 310, and when I tried to compile this I made an error, but let's just fix that, and kbv.h over there. Remember, kbv.h. Do not be stupid like me, my friends. Every library always has a .h. Okay, over here we can see now, my friends. There we can see with not copy code, and then it draws the rectangle. Remember to subscribe too if you like this video. And yes, our circles is not perfect, but we can see everything, my friends. So I hope you like this video and you find it useful. I'll see you in the next one.